Hello friends, today's topic: miss few SIPs and lose in lakhs. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Large number of investors miss a few installments of SIP. They may spend money on some unnecessary thing and may think that it is just a few months of postponing their SIPs. It is normal to underestimate the impact of missing few SIPs. However, when you quantify the financial impact of missing SIPs, especially in the early part of your investment journey, then you will either never miss future SIPs and may also regret having missed many SIPs in the past. Effect of 5 monthly SIPs missed in 25 years. 300 months, investment 5,000 per month, and returns you got was 14%. Final value, let us imagine, 1.17 crores. Suppose you have invested only for 295 months, investment 5,000, returns 14%. Under the same circumstances, the final value is 1.1 crores. The difference of 5 months missing SIP is 7 lakhs. Now, number of months, 300 months, investment 10,000 per month, returns 14%, final value 2.34 crores, 295 months. That means you have missed 5 SIPs of 10,000 each, and the rate of returns of 14% will be only 2.21 crores, and the returns will be 13 lakhs lesser than what you expected. The difference is in many lakhs for just missed 5 monthly installments. The example is just small amounts of 5,000 or 10,000 per month. What if you will invest a larger amount? Then the difference could be 150 lakhs to 1 crore after many years. So every single installment is important. Another confusion in which many investors have is on which date to do SIP or SCP. Is it better to do in the beginning of a month, middle of the month, or at the end of the month? We have checked the data of SIPs done in various dates and have made some calculations. We have considered the data from index funds to check whether there is any advantage in investing on a particular date. The data for mutual funds could be similar to the data for stock SCP2. Following is the data of two indices to see which date give maximum returns for the long term. Comparison of returns when invested on different dates, 2005 to 2024, and the duration is 20 years. Date of SIP: first, Nifty 100 index 13.75%, Nifty Midcap 100 150 17.83%. Fifth of the month, Nifty 100 index 13.73%, Nifty Midcap 150 17.79%. 10th of the month was the SIP date, Nifty 100 index 13.74, Nifty Midcap 100 17.82. 15th of the month was the SIP date, Nifty 100 index 13.75%, Nifty Midcap 100 17.82%. Going further, 20th of the month was the SIP, Nifty 100 index 13.77%, Nifty Midcap 150 17.86%. 25th of the month was the SIP, Nifty 100 index 13.78%, Nifty Midcap 150 17.90%. 30th of the month was the SIP, Nifty 100 index 13.73%, Nifty Midcap 150 17.84%. If you observe, the difference in returns by investing in different dates is hardly 0.1%. So the difference is too small to worry about selecting a particular date. Now, why should you not wait for end of the month for investing? Number one, usually most people, especially salaried, receive salary at the beginning of the month. Hence, by the end of the month, there may not be sufficient savings left due to a lot of household expenses. Many people will not have discipline to save and wait till the end of the month for investing and hence may miss many installments. 2. If you keep waiting till the end of the month and suppose stock markets are at a very high level at that time, you may avoid investing that month, and if this trend is continued for many months for a long term, you will end up with sufficient difference between what wealth you could have created and what would you receive. Which date to select for monthly investment? We usually suggest that you invest every month on your birthday. For example, if you're born on 11th May, then you can decide to invest on 11th of every month and so on. This will be easy to remember, help you maintain the discipline. End of the video, here is the question. Type in the comment section. Which date are you investing your SCP or SIP? Type the date. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.